Open the internet. Click on the three dots. Move your mouse to Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. The reason why Facebook is not loading properly is because there has been some interference. This is often caused by extensions. If you are using adblock extensions, make sure to disable them. And make sure to disable all of them. If you prefer, you can just remove them. Facebook doesn't really work well with adblock extensions, and this is the reason why Facebook sometimes isn't loading. So make sure to disable all of your adblock extensions before trying to use Facebook again. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.